Hey guys, it's Sheldon. So, I decided to go squirrel hunting on my day off. Let's just say, it's not going well. I'll show you why. It's raining. Raining since 5 a.m. Seen one squirrel and it is now 12:30 p.m. So hard to hear when it's raining like this. There's my companion for the day. His name's Bear. I'm not seeing anything. Been out here for about 3 hours. This is the least amount it's rained, so I decided I can pull out my phone. Let's do another call. Gosh darn it. I actually left for the day. I was calling it quits because of the weather. And as I was heading back to town, I drove just right around the corner and I saw two squirrels just playing. Went about a quarter mile down, saw another squirrel. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take a chance. I should have just kept driving. It's like 58 degrees out here too. I did not dress with the weather. Come on, Bear. There, a little bit of action, come on. cool if I get you guys to look at the scope when I shoot. Alright, sorry, done messing around. Like I said, I'm bored. Sorry, checking time. Come on, bear. Yeah, you left me. You got bored. Do another call. Well, I don't mean to keep this video so short, but I've already spent hours out here. I've had no luck. Like I said, I've seen 2 squirrels. One was hit up into a tree and I couldn't get it out. Other one, I went to load my gun. I didn't put one in the chamber because I'm stupid. By the time I got one in the chamber, it kind of jammed. So I got that going, looked up, and I couldn't find it again. So I think I'm just gonna let you guys watch the woods while I shut up. That rain's picking up. Probably should just sit in one spot, but everything's wet. Back to the field. Keep you guys on for a little bit longer. I'm just gonna walk straight down, look down this tree line, and I'm gonna call it a day. Come on, bear. Dog likes to go out and hide in the woods and then randomly jump out. Pretty sure he thinks he's funny. Oh no, he's already back to the house. For being a small dog, he sure can run. Alright, rain's picking up. I'm gonna have to get off here before my phone gets destroyed. So, thanks for checking out. Sorry I got no action. Coming out back next Sunday. It's supposed to be low 50s and sunny. No chance of rain. So I'll make sure to get my action cam hooked up on that and get everything showing. So one last look of this place and I'll let you guys free.